everywhere.
There goes gutter.
Gutters. I saw toilet paper. Holy moly, look at all the crap flying around. Oh, look, the kayaks are flying away.
Oh, shit.
Oh my gosh. Look at the floaty things.
Golly, that shit's wild. I can see right up Patty's skirt. You got that sim going?
Yeah, well, I don't know if I got.
That big duck.
Where's the duck?
Right
The
there.
yellow one.
Oh, I thought you meant a real duck. Yeah, I got that. I'm like, what? Look, it's still going right there.
Oh no, it's about. Is it turning around?
No.
Please, yes.
It's coming back. It looks like.
Not my new car. Anything else? Just don't hit my new car.
The duck.
Yeah, that duck floating.
That thing's way up there.
Right there goes some.
Their kayaks were flying. I saw a big old kayak go flying.
That was a duck there.
No, there was a kayak. I think I got it on the video. There was a kayak first before the duck.
Somebody's getting them a new duck. Somebody else got some damage.
Where's it at? Did it go away?
Yeah, he's falling.
That
No,
was
I mean
the
the-
tin coming off of somebody's shed.
Oh, there it goes again. There it goes again. Come on, come here, puppy. Come here. Grab that.
They don't have a leash on.
Well, probably because the dog freaked out trying to get out of the house.
That's wild, isn't it?
Hey,
You are
puppy.
not kidding.
Hey, pup.
I haven't seen a water spout in like forever.
I've never seen one.
I never
Never.
hit one not in real life. That duck's still going.
Yeah, it is. It's going to, it'll hit the water on the other side now, you know. Usually it'll disperse when you hit land. It was pulling stuff all off in
It
the roof
pulled-
out
it-
there.
I saw a big old tan kayak go fly through the air.
Oh, there you are, looking all over you. I got
All right,
it all.
now it
You
looks
been
like
out
it's
there?
done.
I was outside on the other patio. I saw it too.